Okay, namaste everybody. Welcome to the session. So yeah, make sure you're in a space around you, and also health warning at any time if it's hurting, just come back to your position and just don't stay in that position for longer, and then do as much as your body is allowing, and do not overdo. So we'll start with our regular routines. Quickly, we'll do warm ups before we do the Surya Namaskar. So your neck, right to left, slowly breathe in up, breathe out down, right to left, breathe in up, breathe out down, one more time, up and down. Now left to right, breathe in up, down, breathe out, up, breathe in, down, breathe out, one more time, up, breathe in, down, breathe out. Shoulders back, forward, arms forward, backward, okay, hands on your shoulder, forward, backward, okay, elbows front and back. Rotate your elbows in one direction, change direction, wrists in one direction, change direction, your fingers. Now just do your waist. So your waist in one direction, keep your feet shoulder width apart, clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, hands on your knees, clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Open, close, open, close, open, close, outside in, other way around. Okay, shake your body and we'll start jogging on the spot. So light jogging. Arm movements, leg movements. Breathing, breathe out through your nose. Slowly, slowly increase the speed. High knees. Hands back. Normal jogging. Alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Jumping, keep jumping. Return forward skipping. Backward. Jumping. Star jump. Normal jumping. And slow down. Check your legs. The calf muscles, if they are stiff, loosen them up. We'll do Swastika breathing. So feet together, palms on your side. Deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold. Breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold. breathe out. Okay, we'll do Satat Yoga, contains movement, front one, left section, right section, both section up, and then combination of all. Satat Yoga, Yoga Sthiti. सतत योग प्रकार दो करो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 left right both up left right both up shake your legs hands together arms up breathe in down breathe out up breathe in down breathe out. Okay, we'll do wood chopper breath. Everybody knows the drill. So come into position, pretend like holding X and 10 to 12 times at your own pace. Exhale through your mouth. Start. Okay, hold. Next one is Bhastrika, pumping. So feast on your side and then 10 to 12 times at your own pace. Start. On the nose. Just hold your breath for some time.
Excuse me, Ajay, sorry to bother you. There are some people whose meeting has been locked.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't
Thank
know.
you.
Sorry, I didn't realize. I can't see anybody. Locked means I can't see anybody in the waiting room.
It says the meeting has been locked for them.
Oh, okay, okay. By mistake. Yeah, okay. I think by mistake I pressed that. So you can tell them. That's
Okay.
why we have less people. Sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
So yeah, our body is now warmed up. So we'll do some dynamic stretching. Neck up, down, up, down, back to front, left, front, right, front, tilt to left side, ear to shoulder, to right side, ear to shoulder. Okay, right arm across, stretch, left arm across, stretch, right arm up, pull, hold it from back, left arm up, and then pull from right, back, sideways 8 times, 4 for both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go back. So breathe in, breathe out to right, breathe in front to left, breathe up front, right, breathe in front, breathe out left, breathe in front. Okay, spread your legs. We'll just touch your ankles. So right hand to left ankle up, and then other side as well. 8 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now just touch forward, then middle, then go inside, then left side, middle again, then right side. Come back and go back. Go on right, stretch. Go on left. Okay, get your right leg in front. Bend your back leg, hold your toe, big toe first. Stretch calf muscles, hamstring muscles. Touch the floor, sweep the floor with hands. Okay, get your leg a bit further ahead. Touch the floor, forehead on your front knee. Breathe in up, change your leg, left leg in front. Bend your back leg, front leg straight. Hold your big toe, stretch your calf and hamstring first. Touch the floor. Now sweep the floor with the hands. Get it a bit further forward. Hands touch the floor. Forehead on your front knee. Stretch your calf muscles, hamstring muscles. Stretch nicely. Breathing up. Relax. Relax. So now that our body is warmed up nicely, we'll move on to Surya Namaskar. So just follow my instruction for Surya Namaskar Siddhi and I will be saying the shloks. I'll run the music. Okay, everybody in Arama, Surya Namaskar Siddhi. Join your heels, your toes, your palms, your thumbs onto your solar plex, wrist parallel to the floor. I'll be saying the shlok, just saying that in your mind. ध्येय सदा सवितृमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायण सरसिजा सनसन्निविष्टा केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हरिहिरण्मय वपुर्धृतशङ्खचक्रः Om Mitraya Namaha. We'll start. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Touch the floor. Keep your knees straight. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, go back. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasana. Normal breathe in, breathe out. I'll put camera down because number one, you know, you have to go up all the way. So, Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Keep your knees straight. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Go up. Breathe out. Downward dog. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Namaskarasana. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale up. Exhale down. Left leg back. Inhale. Right leg back. Exhale. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Inhale. Cobra. Exhale. Downward dog. Left leg in front. Inhale. Right leg in front. Exhale. Inhale up. Om Bhanave Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Go back all the way. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Om Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Go back all the way. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Om Pushne Namaha. Breathe in Urdhvasan. Breathe out Uttanasan. Breathe in Ekapada Prasannasan. Breathe out Chaturanga Dandasan. Hold your breath Ashtanga Namaskarasan. Breathe in Cobra. Breathe out Downward Dog. Breathe in Ekapada Prasannasan. Breathe out Padhastasan. Breathe in Namaskarasan. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in Bhujangasan. Breathe out Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasan. Om Marichaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Go back all the way. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Namaskarasan. Normal breathe in. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Go back all the way. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Try to get your leg in front in the same line. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskarasan. Om Savitre Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskarasan. Just one more thing. If you see my leg is in line with this start of the table, similarly, you should also keep a reference when you come forward. You should always be here. You sometimes come up to here, so that's wrong. Just make sure where you start from, you end there. Om Arkaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Up. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Now make sure you get it in between your arms, hands. Okay, near the palms. Breathe in. So try to get it in the line where you were started. Breathe out. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Cobra. Back to Namaskarasan. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Breathe in Urdhvasan. Breathe out Atthanasan. Right leg back Ekapada Prasannasan. Left leg back Chaturanga Dandasan. Hold your breath. Ashtanga Namaskarasan. Breathe in Bhujangasan. Breathe out Adho Mukha Svanasana. right leg in front, Ekapada Prasanasana, left leg in front, Pada Hastasana. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasana. 13th one now. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskarasana and normal breathe in, breathe out. Now just relax. We'll do more. I got a video now. We'll play with the video, which will continue from 13th. Let me adjust. You can breathe in, breathe out for timing. So just continue breathing without. Yeah, I'll share the video and then we'll continue then. Okay. It won't be with sound, only video. So okay. So will start from 14 now, and this has some numbers of in between. So we'll just start. Start. Go down, right leg. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold your breath. Inhale, go up. Inhale up. Okay, we'll stop. Just take some break. Just take some break. Keep breathing in, breathing out. This is the, with music and actual speed. I've made up to 108. So when we practice 108, we can just use this so that, we know how much we are done and we are doing. I try to put some numbers after 10, 10 counts, and also 12 table, 24, 36, 48. Maybe we'll do 12 more, and then we'll move on to the some yogasans. Just relax. This music is okay, right? It's not too loud.
It is too loud.
I'll try to reduce a bit from the video. Okay, get ready now. Just get ready in Namaskar Asana. When it starts, it will just go, and we'll do up to 36 before we stop. Start. Breathe out. Breathe in breathe out. Breathe in up. Breathe in, and then breathe in. Okay, I'll stop sharing. So just come back to normal, relax. So before we move on to the yogasans, hope this speed was okay. This is the actual speed. When I say things, it gets delayed or slow down as well. I will share this video with you in the group so that if you want to do 108, you can just follow the music. First 13 as the Surya Namaskar mantras, so that slowly you build up, and then you can continue till 108 by following this music. It's 36, 37 minutes total. The original video is 13 Surya Namaskar mantra. I just edited it and made it up to 108. Okay, so yeah, hope you're back now. Today we'll do sitting down. So adjust your camera if you want to. Just we're going to do everything sitting down. So this is the Sukhasan. We'll do some basic poses in Sukhasan. So we'll start with the simple one. Just hands on your knees. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Now next one is Parivruta Sukhasan. So reverse Sukhasan. So left hand onto right thigh, a knee or just thigh. Get it down if you can, but keep it straight. Right hand in line with your spine, back, and then look back. You can keep your elbow straight. I'll show you this way. So you keep your elbow straight and look back. Look back at least in the line of your spine. Stay there for 3 count. 2 and 1. Slowly breathe in back. Now right hand onto left knee, thigh. Left hand in line with your spine. Elbow straight and then look back. It's a spinal twist one. 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. We'll sit back to front. We'll do Parshva Sukhasan. So we go sideways. So there are different ways. So just keep right hand on the right side and left hand up and go on to right side. Keep your, don't bend front, do sideways from your left side up to ribs and waist. 3, 2, 1. Back. Now other side. Left hand on in line with the hip. 3, 2, 1. Now same, but right hand now near your left side and do 1, 2, 3. Back. Left hand onto right side and right hand up. 1, 2, 3. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Now next two ones is Gomukhasan and Garudasan. So we all know what we'll do. So left leg down, right leg up. Okay, make a cross. Now right hand up, Gomukhasan first, and then left hand try to hold. You can use a towel or strap or anything to touch your hand. Keep your neck straight. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Swap your legs. Change it. Now left hand up and then right hand. Always one side is bit difficult, so you have to work on that. One side you can reach and one side you can't. 3, 2, 1. Now stay like this. We'll do Garudasan, eagle pose. So left hand down and just make the movement and then lock. And then your palms facing each other. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Slowly release. Release. Swap your legs. Left leg down. right leg up. Now right hand down and then lock. Again, palms touching, facing each other. Breathe in up, breathe out down, breathe in up, breathe out down. Release your hands, relax. Now we'll do butterfly, Baddha Konasana. So spread your legs out, hold your big toes and push, pull close to your groin. First swing, start swinging. Keep your back straight. This is one of the very good. You can do this anytime. Okay, it will just flexible your groin joints. Keep doing. Now then, use your elbows. Push your knee, calf muscles, hamstring down. Breathe in and breathe out. Go in front. Try to touch your toes. If you're flexible enough, you can bend easily. I'm also not that flexible. We need lots of practice. Breathe in up. We'll do one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Down. Breathe in up. Again, swing. Okay, now relax. We'll just do two more Sukhasana one, simple ones, which you can do anytime. So one is chest out. Okay. So first breathe in. You can use hold your just below your knees. Breathe out and go back. Make a nice curve. Your chin touching your chest. A nice arc on your back. And then breathe in. Chest out. Look up. Put your neck back. You can hold your knees and push your chest out. Breathe out. One more time, back. Make a nice curve on your back. Breathe in. Chest out. Breathe out. Now we'll try to do Padmasana. Try to just at least do an attempt. So, yeah, like this. If you can lock one leg first, then second leg. Both knees down, hands on your knees. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Just see as much as you can. If you can't do, at least do one leg lock and keep one leg close. With practice, you can do a bit closer now. So hands parallel to the floor. Join your palms up. Namaskar. Pull up. Seated Parvatasana. Look in front. Concentrate on your nose tip. Your back is nicely erected. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly relax. Down, down. Last two we'll do in this position is one is shoulder stretch. So right hand up onto your left shoulder, left hand up onto your right shoulder. Once you're there, pull your arms close to each other, your neck straight, and look straight in front. Again, erect your spine, keep your neck and also head straight. Breathe in, breathe out. This is very good for shoulder correction. If your posture is not good, also stretch your shoulders if you know they're hurting or anything. Hands down, down. Now just come into mudra. We'll do Brahma, Brahmanad, or Brahma pose. It's a simple one which we normally do stretching. It's just our neck. So breathe in. Now to left, stretch to left, hold for longer time. Front to right. When you come in front, you have to breathe in, and when you go to right, breathe out. We'll do one more time both side. Breathe in front, breathe out left. Breathe in front, breathe out right. Stretch nicely, you'll feel nice. You'll get some massage onto your neck as well when you're stretching. Feel that. Breathe in front. Now up and down. The actual part is only three: left, right, and up. So up, breathe in up. Stretch nicely. Breathe out in front, but we'll do down as well, which is not part of this, but we'll just do it. Breathe out down. Breathe in back to front. Breathe in, go up. One more time. Stretch nicely. Relax. Do not strain, but try to stretch. Breathe out front. Again, breathe out down. Breathe in front. You can keep your eyes closed if you want, and you can come into Sukhasana if you want. We'll go into Pranayam. So the one which we did now is called Brahma Mudra. So like Brahmadev, he has three faces. So we try to do that. It's very good for getting rid of the thyroid slowly, neck and other things, also for tonsillitis. So it's really good for above shoulders area. So we'll start with normal pranav. Pranav is deep breathe in, breathe out. 30 seconds, 5 seconds breathe in and 5 seconds breathe out. So we'll just do breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. I'll see if I can put music. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Udgit. Udgit is Omkar, chanting of the Om. So make sure you chant all the three syllables. U and Ma is just the position of the lips. Is lips open, U is lips O, and Ma is lips closed. We are chanting Om only. Okay. We'll do three times at our own pace. Breathe in. Breathe in. Last time, breathe in. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is start with a deep breathe in and continuously exhale 1 per second from your nose. No part of the body should be moving. We'll do for 30 to 40 seconds. So breathe in and start. Only thing moving is your tummy. When you are done, normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one is Anulom Vilom, Nadi Shuddhi. So make a Vayu Mudra, index finger force onto your thumb. Then with your thumb, right nostril, close your right nostril, breathe in from left. With your middle finger, close left nostril, open your right, breathe out. Breathe in from right, close right, and breathe out from left. We'll do two, three more times at our own pace. Always finish exhaling on left. When you are done, just relax. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one we'll do Brahmari, the humming sound, the buzzing sound. So close your ears, your eyes, your mouth. Breathe in from your left, breathe in from your nostril. And while breathing out, say, keep your tongue still. We are trying to say Om, but our lips is closed, so we end up doing. We'll do two more times at our own speed. Mm. Breathe in. Normal breathing way. Hands on your knees. I'll be saying the Vishwa Prathana prayer for all. First in Sanskrit and then English. You can say it after me in your mind. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hand, brush your palms, make them warm nicely. So keep brushing while it become warm. When they are warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Transfer all the energy onto your face. Massage gently your eyes with your fingers, then forehead, then side of the forehead above your ear, and then back of the neck. And then slowly open your eyes and namaste. धन्यवाद. I'll stop the recording.